guys, my name is Tej and welcome back. In today's video, I want to share with you best crypto wallets in 2021 that you need to check out right now. We have gathered together some of the best Bitcoin wallets and storage devices for 2021 so you can keep your currency safe and grow your investment with a peace of mind. There are a few key things to be aware of, including the difference between hot and cold wallets. Hot wallets are a less secure way to make transactions, but the transactions are done very quickly. Cold wallets are more secure and are designed for your cryptocurrency to stay put for a much longer term. Also, all the links are mentioned in the description box below, so please check it out for more information. Now, let's get to it. Number 1. Ledger Nano X. This is our pick for the best Bitcoin wallet. If you have any cryptocurrency in your wallet, we highly recommend buying a Ledger Nano X to keep your crypto safe and secure. This is a second generation wallet from Ledger, which is a French company that has been in crypto space for a few years. Their first product, Ledger Nano S, was one of the very first hardware wallet on the market and was on top of the space for quite a few years. While many other Bitcoin wallets are located online, these hardware wallets are plugged into your computer. They look like a USB drive and connect to your device via USB or Bluetooth, so you won't need a specific Windows computer, Mac, or any other laptop all the time, but you'll be able to connect to your mobile device as well via Bluetooth. The user interface allows all the users to add new wallets for different cryptocurrencies and manage their portfolio from the software. Since it's hardware wallet, Ledger Nano X supports over 1,500 cryptocurrencies that continue to grow each year as users suggest their favorite cryptos. Ledger Nano X is a cold storage hardware wallet, but there is a companion Ledger Live software that includes user interface for all your holdings. You can use the Bluetooth function to connect to a smartphone or a tablet as well. Some of the cons that you should know is that you can only store a few wallets simultaneously using this device. Number 2. Trezor Model T. This is another second generation cold storage wallet that specializes in Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies. This functions much like a ledger but gives the users the ability to access third-party exchanges. You can access these exchanges, which is convenient, but the price for this cold storage wallet is hard to justify for that feature alone. You'll be able to utilize the touchscreen with the Model T, which is a big help to new users. There's also a micro USB slot, so you can further encrypt the PIN and protect your device from attacks. There are 1,400 cryptocurrencies available through this wallet. It holds a large list of supported cryptocurrencies. Again, it's an open source platform with large amounts of community and customer support, and there are unlimited number of wallets available simultaneously. However, the price point is very high for a hardware wallet, and sometimes the small touchscreen may be difficult for you to type on. But that's pretty much it. Now let's move on to the next one. Number 3. Ledger Nano S. This is the original hardware Bitcoin wallet and is the first generation wallet delivered by Ledger. Unlike later iterations of the Ledger wallet, this one does not include the USB Type-C cable, so it may be difficult to connect it to a newer age Android or iOS smartphone or tablets. Much like the second generation Ledger Nano X, the Nano S supports the same list of cryptos and gives the users access to the Ledger Live software. It doesn't use Bluetooth and limits the number of wallets you can have simultaneously active on your overall device. The Nano S only supports 18 simultaneous wallets, while the second generation stores up to 100 of them. Store your cryptocurrency safely at a very fair price. Nano S is a great place to get started. Some of the disadvantages you should know is that you can only store 18 wallets simultaneously and there is no wireless Bluetooth feature. So that's it, and a Bitcoin wallet will basically help you keep your investments safe and secure while your money does the hard work for you. And your wallet can be built for online or offline storage, and you can tweak it to make sure that it kind of suits your needs. The key to finding the best crypto wallet for your needs is to be sure that you understand the interface and the exchanges, and eventually find the one that keeps your investments secure and allows you to work with the cryptocurrency of your choice. So decide what works best for you and choose the one accordingly. Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, don't forget to check the links in the description box below. And yeah, till then, take care, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.